Hello you guys, welcome back with Astro A0ZA, and today I'm starting a new series, and I know I'm not done with the last one, but I just wanted to start this new one because in the other baseball stadium, you basically just have to add seats and decks and then you're done. And, but I'm probably still gonna do stuff for that. But, this is how to make Rogers Center the home to the Toronto Blue Jays. It might be to somebody else, but I don't think it is. But yeah, and I already recorded the first episode, but for some reason it didn't record it. It didn't save it for some reason. But I just basically made the infield. It's just 30 blocks from home plate to third and first, and then you go straight just like that. And then pitcher's mound is in between first and third. And then it's just like that. You can pause it if you want to see that. And then, for the curve thing, it's just, you go out 1, 2, 3, 4, then on the 5th block you dig down. And then, you go 1 out, and then 2, 2, 3, 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then you go out 6, and then 4, and then 3 twos. So, yeah, that's basically just the whole infield. And now we're starting to do, like, the walls. So, it's 328 feet to each foul pole. So 328 divided by divided by 3, because each block is 3 feet. That is 32. So it would be it's closest to 33. So it would be hang on. Okay, I'm just gonna get my calculator. It's closest to 330. It's gonna be 2 feet off. And hang on. Just wait. I'm getting a calculator because I don't want to do it right now. Calculator. There. 330. Oh, it's 110. I just realized that. Divided by 3 equals, yep, 110. Okay. I don't know why that took so long, but it did. So, 110 blocks. So I just have show coordinates on. So when I start right here, it's at 31, 4, and then 0. So, alright, the last one changes when I go this way. So, yep, it's the last one. So if it starts at, okay, easy. If it starts at 0, right? Yep, it's a 0. If it starts at 0, then it just needs to be at 110. So just go over here. Then after this base, this has to be 110 blocks. Keep going. And there. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. That looks like a pretty good distance for an outfield. So, right, that should be 110. Just right there. Yep. 110 feet. And now just do that on the other side. I wish on Minecraft Pocket Edition there was bigger render distance. So what one changes now? So, okay, it's the first one. Start at 31. Yep. So it goes down. So, it goes down at just 110 minus 31. So, hang on. Is that it? Is that how you do it? Because there's a 0 there still. To 31, it would be at 0. Yeah, okay. So 110 minus 31, that is 179. Yep, alright. So, or no, 79, not 179. Yep. Alright. So it should be at 79 when I finish. And yeah, that was the 31st block. Minus 79. Just like that. There we go. Now, the way to the foul poles is done. So, those look the same. Come on, why is there barely any render distance? Yeah, that looks the same. Alright. So, now for the field, or for the outfield wall, the rest of it, look like it just goes straight, then a little curve, because I have a picture of the dimensions on my iPad right now. So, yeah. Okay. It goes straight. So what way is this? Alright, the last one changes. Perfect. It starts at 0. I'll go out 30 blocks and see if that's good. Okay, I'll do 40. There we go. Oh no, it's gonna have to go out a lot more than that. It's like a little bit more than halfway. It's only like 2/3 of the way there or something. I'll try 60. And there. Now it's at 60. And that's probably good. Now I'm gonna go 60 from the other side. So last one. So what one changes? Alright, the first one starts at 30. So it should be at minus 30. Right? No, it starts at 31. So it should be at minus 29. There we go, minus 29. Yeah, that looks the right distance. Are those even with each other? I'm just gonna check really fast. Okay, yeah, those are in line with each other. There we go. And then there. And then there. There, and then there. Okay, yep, they are in line with each other. Alright, good. Now, it like comes in a little bit and then it starts curving. So like 8 and then 8. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 7. 7. And then 7. So, is that good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, that looks good. And then it's just like a slight curve. Like a sharp thing. Now it's just going to be 3 and then a 1. So do that on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 1. And then a 2. Then a 2. Then a 1. So after the 1, 2, 2, and then a 1. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. And then it's gonna be 2 1s in a row, and then a 2. So then on the other side, and a 2, just like that. This curve, oh, I did the 2 the wrong way. No, there. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Then a 1, then a 2, and then 3 1s. 1, a 2, and then 3 1s. There we go. And then just 2, and then a 2. There. Now the walls are connected to each other. And that is the whole wall. It's the whole entire outfield wall. So, yeah, it's pretty big. But, yeah, it's good. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Then you just basically just build the wall. Like you put in something different, not for these walls, but just like for the outfield walls. You'd like put like say like white concrete powder. That way you know that that's where it is. And then you just build the wall on top of it. And yeah, bye everybody.